Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat story if it is not deleting like usual. So first of all, open your Snapchat on your mobile phone and click on this top left button, that is your profile, and go down. As you can see, I posted a story here. Now to delete this story, all I have to do is click on these three dots and click on story settings, or go to this story and click on these three dots that says delete. Now I have successfully deleted a story. But for your case, if it is not deleting, then you should first check your Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, my Wi-Fi connection is working all fine and is very stable. Next thing is you need to check if your Snapchat is on the latest update. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search Snapchat. And as you can see, my Snapchat is also on the latest update. And last but not the least, go to your settings and go to your apps or applications and search Snapchat on it, and click on the Snapchat for more app info. Click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache. And after all these instructions, your Snapchat will be working all fine and your story will be deleted. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.